There's a specific song I play. Oh, there we go. Okay. A specific song I play, and YouTube is always like, "Oh, that's copyright. I need to delete that song from the watch list." Okay. Like meh. Like okay, so that one's gone. Okay. Can we change the whole music? This is not whole music, Josh. Come on. How's Vegas, Josh? Let's go. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, KV. Good morning, Joe. Good morning, TK. Good morning, E. Good morning, Surf. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. This it would be, it would be, it would be. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. Thursday. There are a whole bunch of songs that just seem to be in a random spot this morning, so we will watch all of them. Alan, good morning. What's the S&P doing? Your boss was like your wife's dad? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You might get another shot at that at the top there, Joe. Most likely doing the Lord's work and is it that hot already? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Everything just seems to be sitting in a weird spot. So, SGD had news not too long ago, and it had a really nice run up, but hit resistance and backed off. Resistance. Okay, let me make sure we're not missing anything here. That doesn't belong in the watch list. Nui CLSK with the form filing. Not sure what filing that is, Josh, but there's a filing for CLSK. Wait. Today, since I Sunday. Okay, Sunday. Sunday. Okay, sounds good. Okay, yeah, that sounds amazing. Shopping sounds amazing. Amazing. Do, do, do. Amazing. You're in at 60. You're in at 61 cents. What's the new resistance? uh, na, na. Uh, do. Na. Hey, yo, Kimbella. Good morning, Trevor. And sounds good, Trevor. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day as well. See you later. Thank you. Last year, it wasn't quite done well. Oh, done yet? Okay. Let's see. Na. Yeah, CPOP looks interesting. CPOP looks interesting there. Let's see if we can actually break out. Looks interesting. IVP is still dipping. So this one was basically an overnight swing. Post low splits being done. Joe, there's your retest of the S&P top. So ES, there he goes. Retesting the top. So if you wanted your short most likely gets filled here. Okay. But my tea is done. I oh my goodness, this is not good. So I got this container of honey, right? Because my voice is leaving me. It hates me. So then like you can't even see it. Dang it. But like it's right there. Like I've drank that much already. Eeh. Anyways, anyways. Good morning, Kel. And you grab some CPOP 272. Let's please and thank you. Let's go, please and thank you. Yeah, it has a whole bunch of resistance at 330, so it's gonna need to break. Uh, there you go. More smoothie. Smoothies are the cold though, right, Josh? So yeah, yes. What I need to do is talk less. Talk. No talking when I don't need to talk. Is because I already talk too much. But anyways, so we need to eliminate some of the unnecessary talking, like talking about Tesla. Anyways, good morning, guys. I'm going to refresh this gainers list one last time here, and I think we should be good to go. We have a lot of time, so um, most of the names on this list we've talked about already in Discord. So if you need to know why they're pumping, the news is in Discord. Not all of them have news. Some of these are just low float pops. IVP did well overnight. Just a low float split pop. Talking trash six and so it really doesn't it? Well, I'm paying for it, so I'm paying for it. So I need to talk less trash. Good morning, Droopy. Uh, that's the first rule, really. Yes, it is. Annette, good morning, guys. Good morning. So yeah, I don't see anything on this list that we haven't talked about. So yeah, we basically just wait for the market to give us something we like. Yeah. And is CPOP popping? Oh yeah, CPOP just exploded. CPOP just exploded. Oof. CPOP just exploded to highs of the day. That's a nice breakout actually. So 330 breakout. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, let's see if this candle can close about 350 though for CPOP. Sheesh. Sheesh. Okay. Yeah, let's see if this candle can close above 350. Uh, cool. Let's go. Good morning, CM. Good morning, Yi. Okay, the form is insider ownership for CLSK. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I saw the form come through. I just wasn't sure what it was. Yeah. So this candle been in made a new high there. And my cat, they made you money. Well, Kel, if you were in Discord, just saying, Kel, saying, why you're not a member? I don't know, Kel. To dissipate the FUD is never gonna dissipate. Uh, yeah, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah, I like what C-pop is doing here. Yeah, so that entry would have been the break above $3.30. I was waiting. I was waiting for an alert, a signal, but I just wasn't paying attention. So it is what it is. We will most likely come back for a retest, and then let's see what happens going into the open. Alrighty, so we'll see. ALLC has been slowly creeping up as they go into the merger next week. IVP is still below the 200, so that's no go for now. GWAV micro penny stock with a lot of hype. So let's see if this thing can break above this double top, right? So 820, whatever that is, or just give us higher lows. SGD had good news this morning. Watch for like 73, 74 cents. See if we can double bottom at that level. If not, we're gonna sell off closer to the 60s. We had data come out this morning for the S&P jobless claims numbers. It looks like the market liked it, right? So it's really funny to me how this stuff works. It's really funny how it works, right? When the market is selling off, all data causes the market to crash. When the market is trending up, all data causes the market to go up. It's just a big scam. So when you ask about data and like what this data means, honestly, it doesn't mean anything. The market does what it wants, and also this data is sometimes no comments. Yeah. Good morning, pizza. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go back to trading more, Kel. Okay, I love it. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, there goes CPOP. CPOP is at 365 now. So new highs of the day. Like I said, if we can stay above that 350, that'd be nice too. But I think we might have missed that signal. So that 330 holding was perfect. I don't know if we're going to come back and retest that level. We most likely will at some point. Laurie, good morning. Uh, oh yeah, those puts. Well, I want to see the S&P back above 520 is what I want to see, Josh. Remember that conversation we had last week, guys, when the S&P was at like 500 and we said, hey, Josh, make the phone call. Let's get SPY to 520. Josh says yes, on duty. On duty. Here we are going for our 520. Unbelievable. It's coming. Well, it better be coming. I'm kidding. You see why this honey is like almost, it's because I bet you I'm running on like just pure like honey sugar. That's it. No breakfast, no lunch, just pure sugar honey. Anyways, anyways. Pure sugar. Who drinks honey from the jar? No, like I had a whole container of tea, right? I woke up early. I had this whole thing of tea, okay, with like a whole bunch of honey in it, and then I don't feel like drinking anymore because I drank a whole bunch last night. Now it's just pure honey. Yeah. One of these weeks, I'm gonna like we're just gonna be in discords. So we just discords. One of these weeks we're just gonna take a week off and just stay in Discord and do signals and do no talking. So we can properly like recover instead of like these one-offs. But anyways, uh, yeah, right. Or like you take some honey and you spread it on like toast. Ooh, my goodness. Anyways, G wave is slowly curling there, but we are still below that 8 cents resistance. IVP still looks like trash. CPOP is just retesting for now, which is fine. SGD looks like it's curling, right? So, which isn't too bad. The S&P is almost double topping there. Joe, are you in? Are you stretched, or what are you doing? Stretching, aren't you? Can I guess which week it would be? No, you cannot guess which week it's gonna be. I don't need any guesses. Ayo, virus. Let's go for new profile picture of a virus with a lot of butter. A lot of butter. MOBX with some news. MOBX with some news. Interesting. MOBX. Let me take a look. Uh, that's quite the pop on that catalyst then. I tend not to care about like that initial pop candle. Let's go, Joe. Did you reverse? Good morning, Sesh. Ayo. Ayo, ayo, ayo. What? Yeah, no, that's a good plan, Joe. That's a good plan. There we go. Okay. What are we doing here, CPOP? Uh, it's too late, Peter. I know. Well, I again, I don't know what I was doing. I was looking at something else, and then yeah. So let's see if we get some retest this morning or some proper curls, right? Uh, get some proper curls. Is waiting for now. SGD doesn't look horrible. Still waiting for that thing though, because it seems to be giving us lower highs now. CPOP obviously looks like the most promising one. So let's see. So this 1 p.m. bonds market, but we'll. Okay, thank you. CQ, CQ. Oh my god, Peter. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Anyways, yeah, no, CPOP is just holding above the 9 EMA, which is nice. Right. So again, clearly the most promising name going into the open here, CPOP. It has a pop in the name, for a reason. And there it goes. Pop. And there it goes. So instead of that thing giving us a proper retest to 330, it said, nope, you can pop back to the highs. And there goes double tops. So 366 double tops for now. Not to pops you the wrong way. Exactly. So yeah, it has a bit of a double top there now. So just be at 366 resistance already. So, yep. Let's see. It looks like it wants to pop above though, which is good. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. It really helps, and I would really appreciate that. So take a second and smash a like. Other than that, TAOP doesn't look horrible, but it's sitting at the V1 there, so that's a bit of a problem. There's support around like $1.10 for TAOP. SGD still looks sus. Ooh, there goes the other one, MOB. Not a massive run though. Not a massive run. And these candles, I don't trust them yet. I just don't like the way the candles look. Um, don't like it yet. So we shall see. IVP still looks highly suspicious here, but I wouldn't completely count this one out yet because it's still really early. Yeah, C-pop is like, hey guys, I'm the captain. Oh my goodness, pizza. Sheesh, what a beauty. Dang, that 330 level was absolutely perfect. TIVC just announced an offering, so $4 million public offering TIVC. I know that was a common stock, so hopefully, pizza. Told you, your broker screwed you. Oh my goodness, 120%. Yeah, minus 60% CIBC. Sheesh, nasty. Good morning, John. Yeah. So this is why I don't trust. Like this is why I said like I don't trust MOBX and these candles. Some candles you can look at them and you're like, yeah, this candle looks like it was sent from the village. Like somebody whispered something in this candle's ear and sent it for you to buy. Mm-mm. So yeah, yeah. Like I just don't like big green candles when you haven't had consolidation or when it's not a breakout. Yup, it looks like it's sent from the mob. So when you see candles like these ones with like massive green candles and massive wicks, you want to be very careful because it really hasn't found its base yet. If we can consolidate now and start curling back up, then yeah, interesting. But for now, still a little bit sus. G wave looks like it's not done yet, does it? Nope. G wave, C pop with a dipski. Wait, it's a dipski. Dipski. What are your thoughts on using the super trend indicator? My thoughts are, um, yeah, we used to mess with it. Yeah, John. We used to mess with it until a one that's 100 times better came along. So we don't really mess with it anymore, Kimbella. But yeah, we uh, we used to play with that a long time ago. Good morning, Dan. But yeah, not anymore. It's a little bit delayed in the. I mean, you can use it as confirmation, but yeah, the best thing to do when it comes to an indicator, when it comes to any indicator, the best thing to do is put it on your charts, and watch it for a bit. Just watch it, right? Um, and if it looks like it might help you make good decisions, and then go for it. Is the best thing to do, you know. Bull Bear, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Veronica, yes. Man loves his honey. Unbelievable pizza. Because I know you're not talking about. Anyways, no, it's a shot of honey. Honey, 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 honey. You should always get puts on Tesla. Wake up and open your eyes and say puts. Just do it. He's the size of a bee. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna need to like, mute shut the camera off when I take honey. Because I'm gonna be non-stop judgment. I've lost this morning. Exactly, Tesh. You know what? I'm gonna try not to talk about Tesla, okay? Geo, handshake, handshake. Don't ask me questions about Tesla. I won't trash Tesla. Deal, deal. Okay. It was mayo. Oh no, it's not. It's not mayo. Who eats mayo like that though? It's us. Yep, yep. Now, if you ask me about Melinda, we will gladly talk about Melinda. Anyways, there goes ICP. So we cannot fully count out ICP yet. IVP, sorry. IVP, just because the market hasn't opened yet. Right, so we're going to keep a close eye on this one as well. Eat my fries with ketchup. Yeah, you can like food, but like just drinking it is a little bit sus, you know. That's what I'm saying. SGD does look interesting there, though, doesn't it? 75 cents. I guess just sitting there and consolidating. So I wonder if we hold this level at the open. So we have 5 minutes left. Yup. Good morning, Lynn. Good morning. Good morning. G wave resistance curls. Yeah, C pop still looks really nice. Yeah, there goes C pop 377. What a beautiful consistent stonk, right? The only issue we might have coming up here is we are approaching the open. So you buy something like this and then it drops at the open and then you're panicking, right? So that's the only problem. Who the hell drinks ketchup? I don't know. I do like ketchup and like and fries and a whole bunch of other stuff, but I do not drink ketchup. What do you think about it? CTMX? I'll take a look. I'll take a look. I know they had news last night and then it popped and then straight to the abyss, right? Straight to the abyss. Um, I can only say KVS. I can only say this is an entry for legend members in Discords. I will not say this is an entry on stream though. So, so. Yeah, TAOP looks interesting, doesn't it? Yeah, it's bouncing up that support. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I think we might just have to. Let's give you the strength. Good morning, chef man. Uh, then you have to become a legend, KVS. Yes, yes, you do. Yes, you do. Uh, who? Cats? Cats up? Oh yeah, that's what they call it, Joe. Jeff. Funny, 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 funny. What's a question for you guys in the chat? What's your favorite name? We have 3 minutes to go. What's your favorite name into the open? What stonk are you looking forward to the most? What stonk are you looking forward to the most? So again, obviously we're going to be watching CPOP. TAOP looks interesting as we go into the open. IVP, we talked about this one yesterday, right? So that's going to be on watch. SGD, okay, SGD is stalling a little bit there below the 9 EMA, so it's failing. So we shall see. But yeah, for now, CPOP looks like the most promising name, even though, again, you never know what happens when the market opens, though. You never know, right? Something could pop and then become the main play. Something that was popping just crashes and never comes back. So, and we've also had that trend of like, the top name going into the open becomes a disaster. So hopefully CPOP doesn't become a disaster. But let's see what happens. Alrighty, it looks good for now. Looks really good for now. There's 2 minutes left and it's fighting to hold the 9 EMA. So I might be late to this. What's your opinion on Tesla, Richards? Who changed their name? Richards? Haven't you heard my opinion on Tesla? I feel like you're trolling me, Richard. So I feel like you're trolling. So I'm not gonna say anything. Na 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 na. Yeah. Come on, C-pop. Let's get popping here. Don't ask. A long time ago. Don't ask. I better hold that. Yeah, it looks like we're breaking below. So this is the issue when you're approaching the open is volatility starts to come in and your levels don't really mean a whole lot, right? So here goes CPOP with the dip skis. So let's see if we can dip and consolidate. Anywhere between like 330 and 350. If we can stay above that level, maybe not too horrible. So that's a pretty nice dip ski candle. Keep dipping. No, Peter, I did not. I wanted you at 3:30, not at the highs of the day into the open. So let's see if we can either hold 350 or go to 3. Yeah, that thing's at 350. That's all you get. So that little red line you see there, a little bit of support for now. For now. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, it's bouncing off it again. But again, this is just typical. Typical. I would have no, Peter. Why would you buy there now? Why would you buy at the highs of the day? Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, again, if you're not sure, guys, always wait for that consolidation at the open, right? Otherwise, you end up getting NSAT. SGD with a fire pop. Oh my goodness. That thing said, I want violence. I want violence. TAOP, Dipski, back to the demand zone. So let's see if we can stay above $1.10. CPOP is still holding that bottom range. IVP seems to be playing games as well, but it's also holding that demand zone at 460. So as you can see again, all of these stocks have crazy candles at the open. right? Oof, right? Look at that. All of a sudden, something that wasn't appealing. Look at this IVP, right? Again, like we said, we have to pay attention to this one because it has a really low float now. Oh my goodness, damn, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, my goodness, when's that thing gonna get halted? My goodness, sheesh. So we're dip skiing here. Let's see if we can stay above, stay above, stay above. Let me go back to this one here. Stay above. Uh, here we go. Did we? Yeah. So this is that retest we wanted, right? So yeah, that 330 pizza. 330. Let's see here. Yeah, it seems to be a. Mm, yeah, that thing bounced aggressively. Yeah, by the time it was done, oh my goodness. Yup, there it is. That might have been way too quick for my liking. Like, look at it go. Look at, oh my goodness. Look at it go. Right? So we knew we wanted that level, right? That 350, that 330 level. Oh my days. Oh my goodness, guys. Sheesh. Just like that. Again, that 330 level, right? 330. Um, I wish we consolidated a little bit more there so we could actually, play the signal nicely, but we couldn't. Yeah, it dropped, right, Peter? Yeah. There really wasn't an entry for this though. Like it just randomly took off at the open. So that's kind of why we were looking at CPOP instead because CPOP came back. And there goes CPOP. CPOP just broke $4. CPOP is on fire. Dang. Okay, CPOP. I mean, that's why it has a pop in the name, I guess. Right. So, but the retest did kind of happen, right? So between that 350 and that 330 level we talked about, that's where it popped from. So that wasn't a huge surprise that it popped from that level. I just wish we consolidated a bit more so people could get in. You know what I mean? Because that was very quick. Very quick. Ooh, oh my goodness, guys. Yup, is gone. Is gone skis. And then you get the drop, pop and drop. But now that looks good though. So again, typical, right? Typical is something that's looking really hot at the open, sell off, sell off, sell off, retest. Typical retest, and then explodes. So I'd be careful though. The closer we get to 420, I'd be very careful, right? Usually a problem, right? The closer we get to 420, the more cautious you should be. There's going to be another retest. There always is, right? So now that next retest is around like $3.70 if we can stay above it, and then 420 is going to be our next resistance. For CPOP, snap, crackle, and pop. Let's go. IVP's halted down. Yeah, we basically came back to the same support and then halted down. So again, if you're not sure, like don't touch these things at the open, right? If you're not sure, don't touch them at the open, especially when you get big green candles like these ones. I hate big green candles. Hate. Because you know exactly what's going to happen, right? Most of the time when you get these fat green candles, they end up getting like reversed. So I really hate to see that. I like when you're seeing slow, consistent candles, and then you get that candle, like you get the big green candle because you've had like a bit of a because they're big. I don't hate them because they're big. I hate them because 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 Hitter. Come on. Come on. Send it, CPOP. If you're looking for a brand new position in this, again, either you're waiting for that retrace or you're just looking for consolidation above $4 because we haven't actually had candles close nicely above $4. So if we can have some candles close above that level, that would be a good thing, right? Because if you're just randomly buying here, you can clearly see the wicks keys, right? If we sell it from this level, it's not a big surprise. So you might as well wait for that retracement or just let it close above and consolidate and then push for 420. Right? So I was playing with $4. Like it doesn't look horrible, but it's just testing $4 constantly there. And the IVP is still halted, and CPOP looks like like it's still the pop king, the king of pop, CPOP. Remember when CPOP went from like $10 to $100? You guys remember that? As soon as I say that, the stock is like, oh yeah, I remember. I also remember when we went from the $100 back to $2 to 90 cents. Anyways, so here comes our retracement, right? So do not buy $4 if we're not holding it, guys. Do not. If you see a stock clearly giving you wicks, 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 wick, 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 like it's a DJ, the DJ thing, you know. Anyways, let me not educate you guys on Anyways, I'm kidding. So if you see all these wicks like this, it's a sign that people are taking profits. And if you're gonna look for an entry, you wait for it to close above or just wait for the retracement. That thing just said thank you and right back up there. So let's see if this candle actually closes above $4. Nope. They're just playing. Look at that. These are crazy candles now. These are just crazy candles now. Uh, it does look a little bit better though, but still. Eee. Just be careful, please. Yeah. So CPOP is still the main play for now, though, because there's nothing else that really stands out to me here. Uh, yeah, I'm not overly impressed with uh, with that signal, but today, but right, this was the main play, and we knew ahead of time that this was the main play because it was posted in there, and we could also look for the breakout, right? So, anyways, yeah. So for now, we need to close above $4, and all we're getting is just wicks at the top, right? Just wicks at the top. And again, like I said, nothing else looks good. Like IVP is on halted, by the way, and it's dropping like a tomato. Like Peter got in, like Peter has insights and holding it. So anyways, back to CPOP. I feel like if CPOP goes above $4 again, ooh wee. But for now, we might as well wait for it to actually do it. If not, then you're just buying at resistance. Come on, CPOP. SGD doesn't look too bad now too. For those of you guys, Justin, for those of you that were interested in this one, doesn't look horrible. Does not look horrible. TAOP looks like it's holding the 200. Nothing happening there, and back to CPOP. Yeah, not bad, Josh. Yeah, TAOP. Yeah, not bad. It's curling up to 200, so not horrible. IVP is still selling off, guys. Again, you guys know by now that if you're gonna buy something, you might as well wait for consolidation. Don't be a rock star, right? Only people that perform in Vegas catch knives. Don't be a Vegas performer, please. So if you see something dropping like this, don't be like, oh, I know the level. I know the level. Back in my afterlife, I was a magician and I caught knives for a living. I was the best magician on the strip, I would catch knives right between the nuns. Anyways, So, anyways, don't try and catch knives. Wait for the knife to lay on the floor, and then you can pick it up from the floor. Because those knives are. Anyways, back to CPOP, guys. CPOP is still looking like the most promising thing, isn't it? Like it's holding that 9 EMA really well. It just needs that $4 range. Like it just needs to close above the damn $4, and then we can send it. We might actually do it this time. Nope, not yet. Good morning, Ray. Excuse me, excuse you. Ask Peter, ask Josh about the non-catching knives. Anyways, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. You can do it. Maybe this candle is actually. There we go. We finally got a candle. There we go. Oh my goodness. This is just becoming annoying now at this point with like what these candles are doing. Just becoming annoying now. There we go. Come on, just send it. We need a brand new high here in this candle, like above 415, and then we send it. Come on. Give me a thrust. A thrust. Give me a thrust. No thrust? Come on. Jeez, there's a lot of wicks up here now. Yeah, with the play like this, it looks like it's on the verge of breaking out, but it's also giving you a lot of wicks. So then you just need to make sure you have a good stop loss, right? You just need to make sure you have a stop loss because that's a lot of wicks. Again, I don't mind like if this candle can close where it's at. I would say that's a good thing. So we have about another yeah. See how they're trying to force it back down at the close of the candle. So this brand new candle will be the deciding thing here, right? So even though it's red, it's not over yet. So this candle will be able to decide now. So come on, come on, there we go, come on, there we go, come on, here we go. Oh my goodness, it takes like it takes forever to go up and then 2 seconds right back down. So this candle will decide though which way we go. So we have about another 20 seconds left on it. So we shall see. We shall see. Candle. I bet you this candle is gonna leave us in like limbo land. Yeah. It's not looking okay, there we go. There's 5 seconds left, and these criminals are gonna close it right there. Well, I mean that wasn't horrible. Okay, there we go. Another higher low in that candle. So as you can see, we're clearly forming some higher lows, right? So we're trending up, but you can kind of see where these wicks are failing at. We do need to clear that range. Hopefully, it's not a big fat green scam candle though, because that's the vibe. Come on, come on, Josh, make the phone call. The market makers are like, Josh, don't say that name again, please. Otherwise, we're gonna crash this dog. Oh my goodness. They're like, yep, 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 yep. Anyways, clearly a lot of wicks up there that we can't seem to break above. Clearly a lot of wicks, and we're selling off, and we're going back up, and we're going back down, and we're curling again. Sheesh. uh, okay, let me make sure we're not missing anything on the scanner here. Uh, on a good performer, yeah, you're not wrong. Yeah, we're failing to really break out there. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. SGD looks good. So for those of you guys holding this one, it looks really good. Ready? So slowly making new highs there. Sheesh pizza, you wanted this one, huh? Yeah, that was a pretty scary drop at the open though, 70 cents. Okay. We'll keep going back and forth for now. Um, okay, I just have to update this. Okay. That's where you want to average a day, Joe. That's a good average. That's a good average. So what I'm hoping for here now though is that I'm gonna put the line here just so we can see what I'm looking at. Um, so I mean we can go anywhere between like right around this area here, right? That last area, that's kind of what you want to see for consolidation on that thing, right? So if we can find a way to stay above this 370, 375, 380 and get back above $4, that would be nice. So that would give us a nice little higher low there. If we can get that on CPOP, that would be perfect. Because then the next time we go back up there, we're gonna destroy that level. Like it's not gonna know what hit it. Here we go. So for now we're holding. We're kind of bouncing off that range. 397, 399. Can we get back above $4? Or is that a problem now too? Come on. 97, 99. Wow, $4 has become a bit of an obstacle here. Destroy it, please. 3, 2, 1. When boom skis. There we go. $4 broken for now. So it looks like we're holding the bottom of the range. We need to get back up there though and destroy that top if we want to squeeze. It broke, yeah. It's at 91 cents now. Ooh, nice. The pre-market high, yeah, we broke it. Ooh, wow. Oh my goodness. 95 SGD. Dang. Yep. There you go. There you go, Justin. So for those of you guys that were looking forward to this one the most, congratulations if you got in. Congrats, congrats, congrats. That's a really nice push. I think we put this line here from when we rallied last week. I think last week. I think it was last week, Justin. Right. This 95 was a problem last week, so it's still a problem today. Yeah, that one did really well yesterday. All day that thing was pumping. All day. All day it was pushing. Uh, mhm. I want IVP. Wonder if we have anything here yet. It almost seems like it's consolidating, doesn't it? IVP. Yeah, I don't know if I like the weakness though, but it does seem like it's trying to find a base above $4.10. $4.10. SGD is really trying to break out. It is breaking out. Not closing yet, but it's trying. It's trying. CPOP broke down and retesting that trend line. But it looks like we couldn't break above that top. So we shall see. We shall see if we can curl. If not, then so yeah, that last candle closed below 95 cents. It seems for SGD. So 95 cents and then $1 if you're paying attention to that one. Yeah, IVP doesn't look. Yeah, it looks like we finally pushed above the 9 again. I don't like the spread, but finally pushed above. CPOP still sitting there. TAOP, meh. If you're holding this one, if you've been swinging ALCC has done really well, hasn't it? I'm sure some of you guys are holding this. ALCC. You're done for the day? Let's go, Joe. Well done. Well done, well done, well done. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, again, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, see you in Discord, Joe. Click the link at the bottom of the chat. Come join us in Discord. Yeah, that 95 cents is an obstacle there for SGD. So no close, no pass. Just like CPOP, right? CPOP no close above that resistance and no pass. Right. So now it's retesting that 350 zone again. So maybe we go all the way back down to that previous bottom. You don't want to see that previous bottom, because if it's not a double bottom, then it's over. Josh, where did you buy that thing? Where did you buy that thing, Josh? And did you have a stop loss? I bet you bought that thing at 415 without a stop loss, Josh. Tell me. Tell me, tell me. 1035. You're in at 1035? Okay. 37. You sold at 4? Oh, okay, okay, good. Oof. Good, 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 good. Good job. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Okay, I'll take a look. NOD. NOD. When did you Josh, when did you buy before the break? That's okay. That's okay. No, it looks good. It looks really good actually. I think the high from yesterday is broke. Yeah, it's broken already. So 1157 is the high for today. Ooh, that thing just gave you a nasty red candle. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Oh, it's getting pretty damn close to that double top, isn't it? This was like the start of the year, by the way. So that resistance there at 1250, $12.50. That was a nasty candle, nasty nasty candle. 1250. I wonder if we make it all the way up there. Let me go back to a smaller time frame here. Yeah, I think honestly, if I were you, I would just focus on the fact that we're holding one of these moving averages consistently. So if we can just continue to ride the 9 or the 20 higher, then I think you're fine. The only concern is that oh, you sold at a okay, no, you got in at 1035. Okay, and then you sold at 11. Okay, beautiful, nice, $1. Good job, good jobs. I'm sure there's a number floating around somewhere, DP. I don't think it's a micro float though. It's not a low float. So if that's what you're wondering, this thing is only done well because the company they're merging with, and or the person that's running it has a lot of hype. DP. It's not the float. If this thing had a low float, I promise you that thing would have gone. Right? We've just been chilling between like 10 to 15, 11, back to 12, back to 11, back to 13. So it's not a low float. Looking for it to hit 40 next week. 40. Uh, $40 next week. When did they expire? When did they expire? See, you're red-ish today. Yeah, 39 and then back down. It doesn't move a whole lot, does it? It really doesn't. Like it's. Yeah, I don't like the way this daily chart looks. So I'm gonna look at the 4 hour instead. Yeah, let me know when did they expire. Next Friday. The one thing that I noticed right away is so you notice how these candles, like, so go back like 2 weeks. Go back 2 weeks, right? You notice how you have this big green candle here that breaks above the 20 and the kernel, like right there, nice week above, almost the exact same as this. Almost the exact same. They expire on the 31st. Okay, you have a lot of time. So I would say you're okay for now. Um, I would say you're okay for now, especially if we stay above. I wouldn't let this. I for sure would not let this thing go below $38. That's the lowest. I would let it go, because if it does, you might get a double bottom at like all the way down there. But then as time goes on, you might have to start picking new levels like 38.50, like 39. Not 39 because we're below 39, right? But like the low of the day, right? Especially like 38.50. Yeah. So between 38.50 and 38, those two levels, I don't think I will let it go below those two, right? And we really need to get above this little. 39.20. If you can break above 39.20, I think you're gonna see $40. But good thing you have a lot of time on it though. IVP's been creeping up. Wow. Yeah, we should have taken this entry here actually. That 410 420 was not too bad of a spot for a quick pop. SGD really failed at resistance. My goodness, look at that. Like we really failed at resistance here for that 95 cents. This is why we just leave these lines here because they might not mean anything, but you come back 2 weeks later, it's like, oh, I have a line there. I don't know why it's there, but maybe I want to be careful. Maybe I want to take profits because look at this, right? We hit resistance, perfect resistance, right? And we're back to basically where we came from. Nasty. Yeah, CPOP is double bottoming of that pink line. Again, like look at these lines, right? So random lines, just leave them there because you never know. And it's consolidating, right? And pop. But technically, this is a lower high now, so it's gonna need to do some more work to look good again. Some more work to look good again. To bring your average down. Okay. BNED. Is there a filing? There's an S1. Hmm. Let me look. BNED. Barnes and Noble. Oh, okay. Isn't this like Jim Cramer's favorite stock? Not favorite stock, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. CPOP is coming all the way down, isn't it? Sheesh. There's really nothing else in the market that's pumping right now, so maybe we can find a base again. Send it. Find a base again and send it. We shall see. Yeah, I would give it a bit more time here to consolidate. Already? A little bit more time to consolidate. If you made money on CPOP this morning, type in yes. If you made money is on CPOP, type in yes in the chat. CPOPs. And then, because we're coming back down. Yeah, maybe we come back and retest that 30. Dan, you don't play stonks, you play futures. If I said NQ, Dan would say yes. Now it's gone. Oh my goodness. What did you yeah, never failed? Yeah, I never did. Yeah, with that one you basically just had to play the idea and then FOMO on the way back up. Right. So there we go. Here we come. Breakout. You had a tight stop loss. Yeah, we got back. Yeah, we just couldn't break above that resistance. So this is either a double bottom at $3.34 or it's a retest of the 200. Yeah, it looks like it's a retest of the 200. So we hit 328 on this candle and then immediately bounced. Tweet and ruin everything. Yeah, when Zach Morris tweets, you run. He tweets, you run, because you're about to be entered. So it looks like we bounced. We bounced up that 330 level, which is what we wanted initially the last time, right? But yup, that's exactly what we wanted last time. So 330 test and then bounce. Mm, 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 mm. Now the only question is, does it have enough momentum to go back up? Does it have the vibes? It has some vibes. Has some vibes. Some vibes. Is the market green or red? I haven't looked yet. The S&P is kind of green. Okay, cool. Pump the markets. I want to see SPY at 520 already. Come on. Yeah, this thing needs to get back about 350 like now, 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 now. Like now, CPOP. There we go. 344. 345. Listen. There we go. 348. And right back down. So 350 is going to act as resistance. Just because it was a level of support initially, so it's going to act as a bit of resistance. But yup, that's exactly what we wanted initially, right? With that signal, it's like, okay, come back and give us 330, 330, 320, and then pop. So now it has resistance at 350. Like I said, because 350 was a base and it broke below, so that level becomes a problem now. So that could have been a nice little scalpy, right? Nice little scalpy there. A little scalpy. SGD came back to the bottom again and it's bouncing. So hopefully you got filled, by the way, Justin. Did you get filled? Hopefully. IVP is retesting again. So maybe this becomes a double bottom. Actually, it's had a double bottom already. So we shall see. We shall see. Come on, CPOP. Give us some vibes. Something needs to give us vibes. Not even going to mention it. You know what's funny, virus? Anyways. Anyways. What are you not mentioning? I bet you Tesla is still crashing to the abyss. Or it's going to crash to the abyss. So, yeah, let me take a look. NTVL. Don't see any news for this one, so I don't think it has news, but yeah, it's going up the scanner there. Of the scanner. Interesting. 520. Yeah, it's gonna be five. It's gonna be $5.20 and 520. $5.20. $5.20. Yeah, it looks like we're retesting that 200 again. So let's see what happens here. Can you explain the SGD news? Sure, I can take a look in a second. What's your position in the play? Let me know. I'll take a look. No, 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 no. Hi. 72 cents he got in 2,000 shares. Huh? They sold 3 million shares at yeah, I'll take a look here. I'll pull up the link here actually. Do I ever short? That's a sensitive question. No, no, no. I do not short because I live in Canada and it's a process to short stocks. So I just don't feel like it's safe if it's going to be that slow for them to film, you know. So I just stay away from like shorting. I just stay away. Okay, let me pull up the SGD link here. Oh, we've had a lot of like visit site. Yep. Do, 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 do. Okay. Do, 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 do. You live in Canada as well, John? I live in Alberta. Okay, here we go. La, 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 la. Services, la, 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 la. So what this is as the headline says, that they're basically partnering with somebody else, right? So services, they're providing some type of service, right, with whatever company, with this company, right? So I just want to look at the numbers really quickly though, because I really don't care about the headline here. Safe and green, la, 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 regarding we are incredibly excited about our partnership with ASG. Potential it holds, not expand our reach, but also enable us to leverage ASG's expertise in offering comprehensive mortgage banking services. Together, we intend to revolutionize the industry by blah blah blah. It's all just a whole bunch of rubbish. So it again, it means nothing. It doesn't really tell us anything other than like we're partnering with these guys to provide mortgage services. Not this news, the one that says so 3 million. Oh yeah, okay. Well, this is the one that came out this morning. This is the reason for the stock pumping. This one came out like an hour ago, right? So there's another one. Interesting. Okay. And NTBL still looks really good. Right? NTBL looks really good there still. So Greg, some really good volume actually coming in on these candles. Yeah, some really good volume on those candles. Do I see SGD above $1? I want to say no. Right. So, but again, there will be a chance though, as long as the stock stays above 70 cents, there's a chance. That's what I will say. Right. As long as we stay above 70 cents, there's a chance. If we go below 70 cents, then the answer is no. Deal, deal. And maybe it will again at some point. So I'm just hoping that we can hold this bottom. Right. Stay above that bottom, and you have a chance. Oh, you're in Ontario, John? Oh, wow, very cool. Okay. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of you guys from Ontario. Ontario. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm just looking here to see what the other news was for SGD here. Because when SGD was pumping this morning, this is the news they had, the partnership news. So I really didn't pay attention to anything else. Didn't pay attention to anything else. So there goes. So it looks like we came perfectly in that range again here for CPOP, right? So you could have taken that signal this time, right? So between 330 and 320 is the level we mentioned, right? So it seems to be holding it for now. If it can clear the 9 EMA, that would be perfect, right? If it can just push up a little bit and clear that moving average, that would be perfect. But it's still playing games. It's playing Z games, Z games. Yeah. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Push it, push it, push it. Yeah, NCBL looks nice. That volume is amazing. So very nice. Slow and steady, Greg. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. Oh no 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 no. You bought some YOLOs for CLSK for earnings tonight. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Greg, did you form into a NCBL? I bet you did. I bet you did. Oh, there it goes, testing highs of the day. Me too. He's the YOLOing on some CLSK calls. Oh my goodness, now TK is in. No crying tonight, please. No crying. Me too. Beacon, John? I'll take a look in a second. I just want to see one of these candles will actually close. Yeah, so again for SGD, as if SGDG if SGD can keep holding that bottom, then not too bad. Okay, so for those of you guys playing with it, like I said again, so CPOP needs to push back above the 9 EMA. It's really like it's fighting, 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 fighting. There we go. Come on, come on. I think it's having a hard time closing above the 9. GWAV? What's your position in GWAV? I wanted to pronounce your name, but then uh no, it's just this is just honey, guys. It's just honey. Just some honey. So there we go. So we're bouncing off that bottom, which is perfect. Perfect. So again, if you missed that initial signal, this was the second time we tested it, right? So let's see if we can actually keep pushing there, stay above the 9, right? So we shall see. Let's see. Oh, that thing is glitched again. So now we need to close this candle above. What is that? 336? 336? 336? Yeah. 336. Permissions. 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 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Tesla's trash. Come on, Dan. 1 penny. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't say stuff like that. You know Tesla is gonna crash, right? Come on. See you later, Tesh. Good Lotto. Yeah. It's not a bad gamble. La 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 la. The yeah. Let's go, Max. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, we're failing at the 20 there for now. Let's go. Max is a legend. Max is a legend, guys. A legend. Ooh wee. A legend. Welcome, Max. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome, welcome. Come on, give us that run. Give us that run, please. Give us the run. Yeah, we're failing against the 20 EMA. So if we can get a higher low or just a double bottom, that'd be okay too. Alrighty, so yeah, we're basically just bouncing up that range, right? Again, if you missed this, if you forward into this one again, like I said, I don't like the way this one played out initially. I don't like the way this signal played out initially. But again, this was something that was already being talked about, and we talked about that 330 level, right, before this signal came through, right? So I posted it in there, right, in the signal channel in Discord. Hey, CPOP is the play of the morning, right? 330. So so if you were looking for that level on the breakout or the retest, blah 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 blah, congratulations if you got in, right? So or anywhere close to that, because that thing had a really good run. If you're not a legend member, you're missing out on this stuff, right? So again, become a legend. Come join us in Discords, right? And now that it's, if I get rid of this screenshot, that 330 level, that 330 to 320 level is where we're bouncing at, right? So we're kind of bouncing off that level for now, 330 to 320. So the only issue now is, we're progressing into the morning, and now we have more resistance, right? So unless this thing clears above, if we can break above the 20, then that's perfect. If not, we have issues. Alrighty, so yeah. Again, if you're not a member yet, you're missing out. If you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot. Come join us. Come on, CPOP. Just give us what we want. Just give it to us. Just give it to us. Just go. Just go, 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 go. It's like, no, I'm going to keep stalling at 340. Come on already. Anyways, will it be? I'll take a look at. I'll take a look at Mara. Take a look at Mara, and then we can talk about earnings. We can look at the past earnings reports and see if we can find anything there. Come on, give us the run. Peter wants to jump in. Come on, Peter. Send it. I don't see pop. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's gonna pop. There's your 1 penny pop. Come on. That thing has a lot of resistance there. Yeah, pop one way or the other. One way or the other. So yeah, either double bottom retest of the 200, and if we break below that bottom, then it's done. Alrighty. So we're back into that range again here. We keep bouncing off that range, which is good, but we need to break out of it. Not up, down, up, down. So while we're doing that, I'm going to pull up Mara really quickly. So if you're watching SGD, it's still holding that bottom in the range, right? So like I said, as long as we stay above, that 200, that 70 cent area, then not too bad. Tesla is the worst stock on in the stock market. The worst, AKBA. Yeah, let me look at Mara first. So Mara has a double top at $20 basically. Yeah, and I don't think that's a surprise though, is it? Anyways, that doesn't matter though. And I just want to see what the daily looks like here. Earnings tonight. The last time these guys reported earnings, the stock was pumping already, and then it flushed. So that was the last one, and then yeah, it's almost like Mara's earnings really doesn't really like it really doesn't move the stock, does it? Like you go back, you look at the last four reports, and none of them have really moved the stock. So unless they announce something special this time, yeah, it really doesn't seem to come with a whole bunch of volatility, right? Like this run here already happened the day of earnings, and then it dropped after. It's interesting, very interesting. Yeah, AKBA had some type of yeah, they had some news, earnings. So yeah, earnings, and the stock didn't move. So for some reason, it moved now. Hmm. Yeah, so if you're wondering, if you're asking me like if you're taking a position for Mara because of earnings, I think that's risky. I think that's not, like I can like it, that is just risky. You're basically gambling. But if you're in a position already and they have earnings, that's completely different, right? If you're playing options into earnings for Mara and you're expecting a whole bunch of volatility, I don't know if that's going to happen because it really hasn't done that in the past. Maybe this time is different, but it hasn't done that. Also, it's not like Bitcoin is really like causing violence in the markets, you know. So, AKBA, nice. Well, it's coming from the abyss. Coming from the abyss. No, exactly, Josh. Exactly. No, you guys for sure. You guys are taking gambles. Yeah. I'm just saying for anybody else that is, like that question, right? Um, from whoever asked the question. Yeah. Thoughts on Mara? Will it be a potential? Yeah. Over. Yeah. No, I don't think you should expect anything crazy from it in the first place. Yeah. Yes. 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 Anything else? My goodness. Yeah, CPOP was a nice name coming into the open, but like I said, when the market opens, now we have way more resistance, and it just becomes a problem, especially when it's giving us new lows like this, right? So now your next support is $3, and then you're welcome. Yeah, no, because Virus and Josh, these guys are just taking a nice YOLO. They're gambling into earnings, right? Which is again the way earnings works for the most part. It doesn't matter what you're investing in. Uh, Gamble. Any name you play into earnings, you're taking a gamble. Um, so if you're looking to buy Mara for the longer term, you're better off waiting for those earnings to come out and then see, and then making a decision. Yeah, the entries, Veronica. Yeah, yeah. CPOP in the morning was nice, right? But it's been like that the last few days. Like the play comes in like 30 minutes before the open. That's it, right? And then you ride it into the open, and then you have a run at the open, right? But after that, it just becomes like meh, meh. Um, YOLOs went to zero, for an example. Exactly, virus. Yeah, exactly. They're just YOLOs, YOLOs, YOLOs. IVP still seems to be holding $4, which is good. But yeah, yep, 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 yep. GTHK, GTHK seems to be running here. HX, sorry, HX. Not bad. Looks like they reported. Hmm, not bad. Yeah, CPOP is clearly going for that $3 support all the way back down. My concern is it's below the 200 now. So, not the best looking chart. Do, do, do. Racing. Hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Eight. Uh, Not a bad run at all. Didn't work out. They usually run after earnings a bit. Yeah. I think it's because Palantir ran into. Yeah. So a lot of these things are just getting priced in now. Mara earnings. Choo, choo, choo. Do, Let's go. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Over half of you guys haven't smashed a like. So I would appreciate that if you could take a second and smash a like. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Thursday and Tuesday. Okay, perfect. Hi, is it today, Captain? Wow. Okay. They have earnings today. I thought they reported earnings already. Peggy, I think they reported already. True. Now GWAV isn't really doing much right now. Not really doing much. Come on, we need something popping. Yeah, so CPOP came back to that $3 base. $3 base. If we go below $3, this thing most likely won't see the light of day again. The drop set open la 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 progress la 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 great earnings. Yeah, exactly. West. Yup. Thoughts on Mullen? Oh, I'll gladly look at Mullen for you. Peter, I'll look at Mullen. There's some other names that I won't look at though because I just know what to tell you because they're trash. Mullen is Mullen at least we don't really know, you know. I mean, Mullen is green today. You want to know something else that I haven't looked at, but I know that's not green. I'm not gonna say the name, but yeah, Mullen is green. Another day, another green Mullen chart. Don't know what to tell you. I promise you, something else is in green. Anyways, yep. Virus, you should just sell Tesla and put your monies in Mullen. Anything that's connected with Elon is not green, Justin. Anything that's ever been connected with Elon is not green, and and it's not going to be green. So might as well. Yep. This is financial advice only for virus. Only for virus. Sell your Tesla and buy Mullen. Because Tesla is going to take you. Elon is going to take you under with him. Diamond hands. Mm-mm. Such a great stock. What is a great stock? Mullen? Yeah, I agree. Mullen has been a great stock the last few days. This entire week, Mullen has been going up. Josh, that didn't last long. What didn't last long? What? Uh, nice, 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 nice. Oh, not talking about it. I know, I know, I know, I know. You can blame virus. You know who else said that virus? AMC. You know where they are now. So that's how I know that stock is finished. It's finished. Never thought I'd hear this, Jay. I like a good chart when I see one, you know, Jay. That's all I'm saying. Wes, come on now. I'm watching my puts. See? Exactly, virus. Exactly. There you go. The only thing that wins on Tesla is puts. That's it. Uh yeah, if you did Veronica, yeah. It was a nice little pop. A nice push. Let's go. Yeah, I wish we had something that was nice and easy to scalp here because everything seems a little bit sus now. You can make little scalpies, but everything else just seems to be pop and then drop and then pop and drop. So yeah, it seems like end of the week, doesn't it? End of the week. I'm just looking at the scanner here, see if there's anything else. Okay. It does have a. You did this morning, Jay. Beautiful. Love it. Can't say the same for Tesla, you know. That's all I'm saying. Just making a. You sold some in the 80. Okay. Yeah, you're retesting. So 82 VWAP test. 81, 82 resistance. Oh, virus. 520. I need to mark that date on my calendar because I promise you Tesla is going to be at least 120 by 520. Yeah, I'm gonna ask for the set a reminder for 520. I need to redo this because it's not working. For some reason, it's not activating. I need to tell Google to remind me. 520 Tesla, $100. ALCC, not bad, not bad. Anyways. Selling Tesla is the best thing you can do for your peace of mind, virus. Okay, let's take a look. The best thing you can do for your peace of mind. Mara is pushing here. Mara is above $20. Green for the day. Highs of the day. You know how deep you're gonna be in Tesla? You- At $50, you know how deep you're gonna be in Tesla virus? Like these deep. Uh, you're in at 319. Should I still hope? 319, still hope? Yeah, I mean, as long as you stay above $3, you have a bit of hope. You're not that far. You're not that red, right? You're not that red on CPOP. So, yeah, we can if we can stay if we go below that bottom, then that's a different story. Will let's see what happens here. And also, I'm not sure why you bought it at 319, right? Because we talked about like if we go below 319, um, then you're looking for closer to $3. So you would have been better off like waiting for that thing to drop closer to $3 and then buy it and then put a stop loss at 299 and then let it go back up to 319. So you're making money instead of like wanting to get back to break even, right? So thank you, Jax. Thank you. Tesla is trash. There you go. At least someone agrees with me. High five. Let's go. Trash. Thank you. At least I have some people on my side now. Come on. Come on. I need more people on my side. Yeah. Disappointed. Anyways, yeah, no, CPOP is slowly creeping up towards your entry there, well. So you're really not that far off. Not that far off. Anyways, we keep failing at the 20 and the Corona for CPOP though, so you really need a nice green candle. Weak. Mm-mm. DJT is back above 50. Nice. GL. Yeah, GL has done really well, Wes. Really well. You don't like Tesla for long term. So here's my true opinion on Tesla. I think Tesla is doing something that is amazing. Like When you think of like innovation, there's no company doing what Tesla is doing. There's no company that competes with Tesla in terms of like, changing the world. Uh, it's not even a competition. Okay, I think Tesla is one of the most amazing companies out there. That's not the problem. That's not the problem. The problem is Elon. Okay, so that's why I say Tesla's trash, because Elon is gonna keep talking, and uh, and they're gonna keep trashing Tesla to the abyss. So that's your problem. I don't know. Are we on the same page now? So Geo, we on the same page. So I don't hate Tesla because of what they do. I hate Tesla because Elon is always opening his mouth, and the stock is always going to the abyss. Anyways. Yeah, there you go. CPOP came back to that almost 319. Well, almost. Yeah, almost. anyways, anyways, you wanna see so like, okay, let me look at Apple. Let me show you guys an example. Okay, so Apple. So Warren Buffett said he sold 13% of Apple. 13% Warren Buffett said he sold. He sold 13% of Apple. You want to know what Apple is doing? Apple is like meh, meh. You want to know why? That's because people love Apple. Wall Street loves Apple. Apple CEO isn't like out there spamming stuff. Look at Apple. If somebody says they've sold 13% of Tesla, God knows where the stock is gonna be. $2. $2. Doing what he's doing over a price any day, more than a checking account. Nah, I'm just saying I'm not gonna put my monies there. Is all I'm saying. Ooh, spies pushing, guys. Spies pushing. No, that's all I'm saying. I don't think he's doing anything wrong. I just don't. No, just not gonna put monies there. Is all I'm saying. There we go. Spies are 519. Ooh, 520 is gonna come. An alert for spy. Yeah. Maybe it doesn't matter. Yeah, meh, 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 meh. I don't know. Time too short. I don't know. I don't know about that. I mean, honestly, I said this yesterday. Like, look at Trump. Look at Trump. Look at Trump. The dude is a billionaire. They're dragging this dude through the streets. Dragging through the streets. What do you think they're gonna do to Elon? Anyways, I'm just saying. So, I'm just saying. Again, not saying he's doing anything wrong, because I've said like somebody needs to do that, right? But as an investment, meh, I don't know about that. But do your research. Do your research and invest your monies. It's not my business. Um, you should have $100. You should have at 100. Then you would have been talking all this trash. This is why I lose my voice, Josh, because I talk too much trash. Not this dude. Doesn't matter though. They're dragging through the streets, Wes. President, okay, still dragging through the streets. Can you believe that? No respect at all. So, yeah. Anyways, anyways, you know what's gonna happen? If Tesla ever pops, you guys are gonna come for me. But whatever. The driver's seat can see close enough to the steering wheel to reach it. Rubbish. No, Spy does look good though. That's a really nice push. Yeah, CPOP hit that level and came back down. Will, hopefully you had a stop loss. A rental for the Tesla? I know. Yeah. Wes, no comments. Yeah, and that's not even the issue though. Peter, thank goodness they don't. Yeah, but you know that's not the problem. Like the problem is not the problem is not what you see. The problem is something else. It always is, right? Like Tesla has been investigated for like you saw that article, right? Tesla has been investigated for like defrauding investors, misleading investors. You think that's the problem? You really think that's the problem? It's not. But yeah. Anyways, app. Uppercuts. The app looks nice actually. It's a nice little yeah. Even the daily looks really good too with post earnings West. Look at that thing. It's been going for a long time now. Wow. That's the second earnings report they've announced that the stock is exploded up. The last one was a fat green candle. This one's a fat green candle. 18%. Nice. Yeah. Uh, end of the day, they're London. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, we shall see. Does anybody? Yeah. Anyways, SGD is still looking really good there. For whoever was asking about the dollar, it's looking better, isn't it? 86 cents. 86. If they find exactly where, see, that's the problem, right? So imagine if they actually prove that Tesla was defrauding investors, right? What happens? Okay, they get fined billions of dollars. Where does that money go? Does it come to the investors that were defrauded? That would work for. Well, does it go to the people that were holding Tesla? Oh no, it doesn't. Doesn't. There goes 88 cents for SGD. That's a really nice push. Oh no, it doesn't. Anyways, just minding my own business. Oh no. Jack X has some news. Interesting. Interesting. uh, okay. Let me take a look. Take a look, ski. Yeah, so if this one can find its way back above 95 cents, then yeah, that dollar, that $1. Slow and steady. What does the daily look like though? That's not bad at all. 50 retest, $5 for GTHX and a bounce. Veronica, I know you were watching this one, so that 50 might have been a good spot. So there goes CPOP just playing with $3 for now. IVP, meh, not doing anything. SGD looks nice actually. Looks like it wants to cause violence. La la la. La 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 la. 89 cents. 89 cents. Yeah. DFLI, Dragonfly announces breakthrough in lithium battery production, eliminating harmful forever chemicals. Cool. Depends. It depends how we get the Yamaguchi. Depends how we get there. If we get there and it's not failing at 95 cents, then there's no point selling it. If we get there and it's stalling, then yeah, you might have to take profits. Yeah. Virus. You guys better hope Tesla doesn't go below 170 because there goes 91. Anyways, yeah. So 91 and then 95. So yeah, Yama. It depends how we get there. All right. If a lot of volume is coming in at 95 cents, then it's just going to break it. Then there's no point in you taking profits. But the closer we get there, if we start stalling, you might have to take profits, or at least just move your stop loss up. Peter, alrighty, have good meetings. Peter, good luck. And talk chat later. Did you take any trades today, Peter? TOVX highs of the day. Cool. Peace, peace, peace. See ya, see ya. Come on, give us a push. Okay. Peter, bye. Oh, bye, bye, bye. You didn't take any trades? Okay, fine. Fine. Are you looking for ES shorts, Justin? ES. My resistance is bright red on. Do I need to update? You might need to update. Okay, SPY came back down a little bit. SPY came back down a little bit. You're in a short, but you want to go long. Oh, okay, I see. Sounds good. Yeah, maybe a 20 retest. Uh, that's not the reason virus. It's not options. It's not. That's not it. One other reason that has a T and an R and in the not options. SPY is hitting highs and Tesla is going down. So you're telling me Tesla is going to crash for 2 weeks while the market goes up because of options. All these other stocks in the market that have options also they're going up virus. SPY has options. Apple has options. Microsoft has options. 2 weeks. Not because it's trash. Anyways, yeah. Did you get rid of your shorts? My indicator setting. So again, it's not really a GTHX is going back for the highs, Veronica. Oof, that's a nice bounce. It's a very nice bounce. Yeah, that $5 might have been their level. Yep, nice. It's Yamaguchi. It's an indicator, not really a setting. So it's called the Bull Bear Algo. You have to be a member to be able to buy it. So you won't be able to find it. You did? Okay, 550. Okay, 91 is what you're looking for. You're pretty close, but it's backing off. Yeah. Yeah. No, 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 no. GTHX. Interesting. You moved it to 97. Okay. Hopefully it gets them. It does look good. It does look like it wants to pop more, but yeah, just be yeah, just make sure you manage both sides, right? If you count pre-market, yeah, it does. It really does actually. Nice catch. 92 cents. Yeah. Captain. Yeah, it does. It really, really does. And also that 92. I bet you that's why the indicator priced in this 92 into the red zone. Um, yeah. Perfect, Veronica. Yeah. Always good to manage both sides. When you're in a trade, you want to look at like, okay, yes, I want to sell at resistance, but also like I don't want to just watch it in case it goes down. Tomorrow, Friday, will mark the start of a huge crash in the stock market. You have been warned. Oh my goodness, guys! Panic, panic, panic. Um, yeah. If the market goes down tomorrow, it's not because of this comments in the chat. Promise. SPY is gonna be at 520 tomorrow. Oh no, you have I have been warned. I have been warned. Yeah. IVP. IVP's done a really good job holding $4, hasn't it? A really good job. A really, really good job. So hopefully it stays above it, Captain. It did? It took you out? Yeah, that's annoying. You have been warned. See, now if you said Tesla was going to be at at $5 tomorrow, and then I would be like, yep, I agree with you. But the market don't care about your warning. Uh, that guy will be back with 84 years. Oh my goodness, you guys entered him? Oh damn. Okay. Nah, nah. Yeah. That was too soon. Too soon. Mm. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Oh, I think okay. So we're slowly going back up to 89 cents. I think that alert was spy. Yeah, it was. I keep getting these spy alerts because spy keeps hitting new highs of the day. I think that yeah. See if that's a double top down. Did you go long, Justin? I hope you did. Hope you took your long because you'd be green now. You're still stuck in the shorts? Oh my goodness, dang. You should have, yeah. You should have reversed it as soon as we came back above the 9 EMA. But hopefully this is a double top for you though. Because if that thing breaks and closes above this level, it's gonna push it to 10 mid 5 1950. So you're really hoping yeah, you're really hoping that it keeps closing these candles below. Yeah, you need the double top. It's working. It's working for now, but I don't think it's gonna work though. We'll see. And there goes by new highs of the day. Oof. And right back down. So the hope is that we close the candle below. 20 seconds left. No, 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 no. Nope. New highs of the day. Spy new highs. SGD. Yeah, we're slowly going back to 90 cents. So we need to clear 92 and then 95. There goes SPY. Yeah, because if you reverse that position, you would have made the money back. Justin, IVP. Oof, IVP. Nice. Yeah, $4 was perfect actually. Really well. Earnings today. Okay. Earnings. To clear. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Yeah, now it's at 450 resistance, the 200 EMA. Force break. Yeah, it looks like it. Looks like it's false breaks. IPO. Speaking of IPOs, I thought there was an IPO coming out today. 509. Yeah. So these two IPOs, pal. Okay. Priced. Okay. So PAL and then SVCO. Yeah, one is 14. Yeah, 14 million shares, and then 6 million shares. Not massive. Not massive IPOs. There we go. 92 broken for SGD. You're looking for 95. You're close. Very close. Very close. So that candle needs to close above 92 and then 95. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, virus. I need to clean up more of these. Okay. Doo, 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 doo. Okay. Yeah, not too bad actually. Oh, I need to take Tesla off my long term watch list. Get rid of that rubbish. Tesla's off. Okay, perfect. Oh, by the way, Tesla's at the lows of the day. I just as I looked, Tesla's at the lows of the day. While the markets are hitting highs of the day, Tesla's at the lows of the day. And the virus is gonna be like, but options. Trash. Lows of the day. Get that rubbish out of here. The short attack the of the open today were insane on your stocks. Yeah. Yep. What were you holding, Wes? What to learn? Yeah. You're telling me you're okay with the stock crashing for 2 weeks because of options. Sell that rubbish, go buy Mullen, come back in 2 weeks, $100 virus. And then you're gonna be happy. Trash. Look a beautiful Mara. Okay? Look at me and then look at Tesla. Just as an example. Like look at Tesla looks like Mullen. Like when Mullen was look at this trash. Look at this. Yeah, GL. Globe Life. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that thing dropped from the open and it actually popped initially and then just broke below the 200 West. Yeah, that 200 breakdown on anything is almost like a death trap. Robinhood. Yeah, Hood had good earnings. Like they had really good earnings. They brought in a lot of money. Somehow the stock is down 8 cents though. I do think though, Wes, it's because of this. Like when you look at the daily, I mean, honestly, that doesn't even justify it, right? So yeah, mm, yep. Uh, Gold offerings, interesting. Yeah, Robinhood. Robinhood has actually done well though. From $10 all the way to where it's at now, done really well. Yep, not bad. So I do think though stuff like that plays a part in like post earnings and expectations. Snap is another one that's surprisingly done well. Like Snapchat has done really well. Like look at Snap. Like post earnings, that thing found a base at $10, $11, and it's just been going. Now obviously it's at resistance. So virus, maybe this is where you should be adding some puts. Maybe. Did you have a lawsuit against the US though? So but yeah, 17, 1750. That would have been a nice little area for puts. $17 to 1750. Yeah, Snap has done well as a business since the horrible days. Horrible days. Oh yeah, there it is. 95 cents. That thing actually pushed for 97. So for those of you guys who are waiting for 95, there's your 95. Obviously it hasn't closed above. Not before. Last time we came here, not now. Right? So 95 is obviously a big level. You sold at 95, you made 14%. Good job. Well done. Good exit. Good exit. Now can we break above 95 cents still? No, 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 no. No, you should not be buying stuff at 95 cents unless we break and close above. The S&P is at the highs of the day now. Hi, Justin. Hopefully you're still not in that short still, because hopefully this drop here kind of you ran away quickly, because yep, there goes that 519.50 almost, right? Pushing. You're still in it. You're waiting for a dollar. Okay. Yeah. At the very least, just make sure you have a stop loss and you're moving it up. Don't let it go from like 95 back to 80 something, and then you're like, is it gonna go back to a dollar? So when we're sitting on resistance, move your stop loss. Yep. Good morning, Troy. Good morning. Do, 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 do. Uh, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, when the trend is up like this, honestly, like when the trend is up like this, Justin, because it has been, except for that morning dipski, which is expected, right? When the trend is up like this, you almost only want to look for like dipskis and longs, unless proven otherwise, right? Like the trend is really, really important, because every time we have big losses is because we're trying to like bet against the trend. You're like, I think it's gonna crash now. It's gonna crash, and sometimes you're right, and you make some really nice monies because that crash is impressive, right? But when the trend is like long, you're better off, because even when you're wrong, you get rewarded. You're like, oh, I made a mistake. I went long, but it's going, and then all of a sudden, boom, skis back to the highs, right? So that's why the trend, going with the trend, is sometimes important. So, no, unless you're looking at that double top from like mod or like a mob. Where you seeing 519.60 from Pavan? What time frame are you looking at? Exactly, Justin. Trying to play retrace. Oh, I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. And then yeah, after that, you just wanted your money back. You're like, nope, I want to be right. Yeah. Yeah, we're back to 90 cents here for SGD. We're below 90 cents now, right? So that's why that 95 cents resistance is really important. Really, really important. If we get back up there, I think we're gonna break it. But yeah, sometimes there's nothing wrong with just getting to resistance and selling it, and then you can buy it back if we close above. You know? Yeah, Pavan, let me know where you're getting that level from, and then I'll take a look. Uh, uh, where what? Okay. Arm is green. Okay, nice. Arm. So yeah, if you're holding shares instead, virus. Yeah, arm. Yeah, that level was good for arm. That was a good level for arm. Like if you look at the 4 hour, it's loading here. That was a good level for arm, wasn't it? Look at that, right? It's a beautiful double bottom on the 4 hour. So only problem is June calls. Oh, June. Oh, okay, sweet. Okay, nice. Okay, so you have a lot of time then. That thing breaks above 110 virus. It's back to the highs. Yeah, this morning. Okay, nice. Very nice. Regina, you missed out. Okay. Mara past highs of the day. Yeah, Mara is doing well today into earnings. Mara into earnings. Mara doing well. Yeah, Spy's going back to the highs. This is what I mean, right? So imagine you took a wrong long for Spy on ES. Guess what? Just because the trend is up, you get your money back. Like, yay, the trend is up, and we're back to the highs of the day. Right? Every red candle followed by boom skis. Red candle followed by boom skis, and there goes Spy highs of the day. Right? So yeah, easier to follow the trend because then there's two things going for you. Maybe you have a good entry, but also it's going up anyways. Yeah. Yeah, buy the dips. Yeah, exactly, Justin. At some point that might change, but for now, until it does, it's up, 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 up. Captain, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, 450. So here's that 490, 519.50 for SPY. 519.50 for the SPY. Break that, consolidate, and then give us 520. 520. 520. Uh, na, 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 na. Cool. Yeah, there it is. Seems to be breaking for now. Let's see if we can close above it, Captain. IVP. And guess what? SGD is back to 87 cents, guys. Right, so 95 to 87 cents. Not saying that it's done. This might just be a higher low. It might just bounce up 86 or 85 and then go back up, which I hope it does. But sometimes, honestly, the easy decision is you see resistance, you take profits. You see resistance, you say buy. You see trash, you sell trash. Anyways, nothing said, virus. Nothing said. Uh, funded. Okay. La, 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 la. You took your profits? Well done. Well done. Honestly, yeah, there you go. Take those profits today, especially resistance. Take your monies and run. There's no need to sit there and What's your position, Pavan, in Sarah? Any details, Pavan? Give me more. So it's definitely going to hit $1 body cam. If you, I mean, again, if you held it already, anyways, I would give it a second. You could have sold at 95 cents double top, right? But you held it all the way back down. So now, honestly, I would give it a second and see if we stay above 86 cents, right? Unless you just really want to sell it. Because our expected value return a higher seller. Okay, I bought it at so there you go. Beautiful, beautiful. For a early dip. Okay, nice. Yeah, you're green. Either way, you're green, which is good. Uh, can always make more, but you can also lose more. Exactly, exactly. Yup. Ocean is moving, Kenny. Okay. I think we kind of watched Ocean yesterday. It had that nice little pop, and then gave away the gains. Gave away the gains. Mm, hmm. Yeah, not bad actually. Not bad. Seems to have a bit of resistance at 205 though, but yeah, Kenny, not bad. You already ran and wait. Okay, you made money in Tesla puts. I'm telling you, easy monies. Easy monies. Buy Tesla puts, easy monies. Not financial advice. Only for Seymour and virus. Easy monies. Yeah, so that 205 is failing for Ocean here. Justin C. We said this yesterday, right? Easy monies. Easy monies. Into tomorrow, easy monies virus. Easy monies. Tesla's gonna be at 160 tomorrow. Easy monies. Mera. Mera. Yeah, Mera looks really good. It's really good. No, exactly, virus. Absolutely. Yup. Terra. Okay, I'll take a look. Choo. Diamond hands, Pivot. Come on. Diamond hands on a massive push to resistance on a double top, $5 double top. I mean, there's nothing to do now. It seems to be holding the 200 on the daily, so there's support at 280. So there's nothing to do now other than wait. Yeah, yeah. MCRB. How is it today? Interesting. Uh, yeah. We'll start taking profit. Yeah, I mean, again, like I said, if it's an investment, like if you bought Mara because, or you bought one of these, because it's an investment and you're, um, as long as it's not options and they're gonna decay, if something goes wrong, then you can say, you know what, I'm gonna take some profits, I'm gonna hold some, or I'm just gonna. It just depends. Yeah. All I'm saying is like I wouldn't make like any crazy decisions because of earnings. Like I wouldn't expect anything crazy out of it. But you don't have to get rid of your position also though. You can scale out if you're not sure, but $3 to kind of holding. It almost looks like a double bottom here for CPOP actually. Double bottom. Double bottom. $3. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Ooh, Y10. Remember Y10 guys? Y10 was the split from earlier this week too, I think. Yep. Oh, it's halted up. Yeah, it's halted up already here. Hmm. Yeah, Pavan, please use the stop losses. I will find you. Yeah, halted. What do you think of NT? You're in at 149, stop loss at 140. Let me take a look. Let me come back to this. NTLB. Yeah, this is NTBL. This is the one that was that was pumping this morning and then came all the way back down. Your stop loss is at 140. Yeah, your stop loss is all the way down there. That's a good stop loss. I like it. Your entry again was 149. Okay, so you're barely green on that play. Yeah, your stop loss is nice. The only thing you have to decide is if you're willing to move that stop loss up. But yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Because if we get all the way down to 140, then it's done. Then a lot of things are going wrong for the stock. So yeah, CPOP. Yeah, we just keep going back and forth. Yeah, so if that thing breaks below that level, it's gonna die. Sell on 20% gain and run that. That's it. Yeah, you can do that over and over and over and over. So scalp and run away. Yup, yup. Yeah. So Y10. Let me go back to Y10 actually. I want to see what that thing does after the on halt. The on halt, $5. It's actually not too bad. The volume is horrible though. They also have earnings today. It seems. I don't know if that's true, but according to TradingView, they have earnings today. Good exit by the way. Look at that double top. Oof, captain. Look at that double top 450 fail exits. Well done. Yeah, again, like honestly, today stocks are just getting to resistance and they don't seem to want to break out. Like nothing wants to break out, right? It's like resistance. Oh yeah, thanks, bye. Look at SGD, right? Same thing. It's like oh resistance double top. Oh yeah, bye. Right. So take care of your monies today, please. One that's getting to resistance is GTHX here. This one seems to have a bit more volume getting to resistance. So let's see if it actually breaks out. Like Fisker, they got approved for on the, but they did not. They did not yet. They've been approved to get for reverse split. Could have back on the. I don't know. I don't know actually. I don't know why they don't do it. I bet you there's more to that though. FS. I think it's like FSRS FSRQ now. Uh, is there a Q? Or is what is it? FSRN. It's an N now. Yeesh, nasty. Yeah. Mm-mm. Yeah. But they're exactly, Captain. Yeah, exactly. Yeesh, 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 yeesh. This is trash. This is gonna be Tesla. Just give it 6 months. I'm kidding. Not kidding. Right? Physical looked like trash for a damn long time. Look at this. Like the writing was on the wall. Sometimes when the writing's on the wall, just take it and run, please. Right? Look at this. Like sometimes when you have a double bottom, like look at this. If you're holding Fisker, like look at that thing. Look at $5. Okay, $5.50. Right there, bottom one, bottom two. As soon as you break below this level, honestly, take your money and go. Because that's $5 and that's $4. That's $3. When do you set a stop loss? When do you set a stop loss? This thing don't look good. It looks nasty. Right? Eventually end up at 4 cents. Right? Eventually end up at 4 cents. Eventually end up at 4 cents, right? That warning was right there at $5.50. It's like, hey, I give you a double bottom. Hey, I break below the double bottom. Hey, congratulations. Just finally stop looking. Yep. Yeah, you're still holding. Yeah. Yeah. Honestly, when these stocks give you red flags, you say thank you, bye, because these companies don't care about you. These companies don't give a damn about you. Elon don't give a damn about investors. If Elon cared about investors, he'd not be asking for $56 billion. Elon don't give a damn. So you end up at the bridge. Anyways, Gorilla does look good. Fat boy looks good. I know we've been watching this one for a bit too. Spy. White and still halted. Yeah. A T Rex. A T Rex. Anyways, guys, 5 more minutes and then we're gonna leave it there for the day and go back to Discord. Call it a day and go back and go play some stonks. See if we can find some other stuff to play with. Hopefully it's not like this all day. We need some scalps, you know. Ooh, cannabis is pumping, guys. Uh, yeah. Cannabis is pumping. CGC. You said my trigger word, scalps. Let's go. Yeah, CGC. CGC looks nice. Also, let me look at ALCC. Looks beautiful still. Like it's so slow, but the damn thing just keeps creeping up. ALCC. That stock should be on your watch list. We've talked about ALCC for like 2 weeks now. Like 2 weeks now, and it just keeps slowly creeping and creeping. ACB from this morning, good. Aurora Cannabis, not bad, not bad at all. Cool. Yeah, hopefully we have some nice scalps today, Sky. By the way, Sky was on a TV show. I need to go watch it. I need to at some point today. I need to watch it, or maybe this weekend. Very cool. Very very cool. La, 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 la. Let's go on a TV show. Let's go, Sky. What else? What else do we like here? Yeah, you see that double top? Yeah, like nothing wants to break resistance today. Everything just gets to resistance and then fat red candle. Look at that drop, right? Everything is just doing it. It's like, oh yeah, resistance? No thanks. Run away. Run away. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Who's getting a job, Gary? You? What happened, Gary? What happened? La 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 la. Maybe we stay above 560 there. That thing. Ooh, Y10 is unhalted, guys. That thing is gone. Oof. Again, I don't like the way that the spread looks. You know what job I'm gonna get, Gary? The one that includes you sucking on something. You know that type of job, and then I'll hire you for that. Does that sound like a deal? Virus can tell you what you can suck on, though. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Yes. Sounds good. Deal. Okay. Fine. Sounds good. Yeah. Good. 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 Anyways. Yep. It didn't work. You didn't like it. Okay. Well, maybe you like it this time. Anyways, yeah. So Y10. Yeah. I don't like those crazy spreads. Crazy spreads. Crazy spreads. Gary's the laziest member in Discords. Gary's that type of person where, like, news will come out on the stock, or like a stock will be pumping, and everybody's like, "Oh my goodness, this stock is pumping," and Gary will show up like 5 hours later and say, "Did you guys talk about this?" Like, Gary, why is it pumping? Gary, come on, dude, come on, come on. I'm just roasting Gary because Gary likes to roast back. So yeah, you know. Anyways, anyways. I need to set an alert for all these split names actually. Don't help him, Dad. Don't help him. Oh my goodness. Don't help him. Mm, cool. 560. That thing looks done for the retest. For some reason, IVP doesn't seem like it's done, but doesn't seem like it's done. We'll see though. I'm not helping you. Rubbish. Rubbish. Na, na, na. And then a pop. Wild. Let's go. Don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new. Thank you, Dan. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat. We're gonna hop off like in a minute or so. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys, and then we're gonna be in Discord. Ready? Let me know if you have any last questions, and we will be in Discord. And still trash talking though, but let me know if you guys made some monies this morning, and hopefully we can make some more monies as the day goes on. The market has been like fun in the like into pre like end of pre market to the open fun, but then it's been very suspicious like as the market it actually opens. Yeah, Y10 is trying to push again here. Only concerning thing, like I said, is the spread. Anyways, guys, I can tell. I can tell. Uh, comment. One second. Passive honest. Okay. There goes 610. Yeah, the bits are catching up too, actually, for YTEN. Yeah, that break above 550 for Luna was perfect, Captain. Instead of Tesla puts, because Tesla puts make you easy monies, James. There's only one way. Uh, you know. You know. Anyways, guys, okay, we're gonna be in Discord. Have a wonderful afternoon. Be safe. Uh, on Tesla. Oh, it is. Oh, okay, okay. I'll look into that, James. I'll look. Yeah, that's not something that I'm familiar with. Yeah. Um, Justin, see you Discord. Have a wonderful afternoon. Make that money back, please. Make the money back, James. Captain, Captain. Keep making monies. Dan, see you in Discord. See you in Discord. Alrighty, y'all. Again, smash the like before you go if you haven't already. And we're gonna keep watching this stuff in Discord. See if we can. High five. There you go, $6 again for YTEN. Veronica, see you in Discord. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Jay. Be safe. See you in Discord. Make monies, please. Annette, bye 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 bye. See you in Discord. See you in Discord by then. Much love. Alrighty, y'all. Okay, bye, guys. Bye bye. Oh, did I not? Okay, I forgot to fix that actually. Bye. Highs of the day, ALCC. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to. Yeah, like it looks really good. 8. Yeah, it looks really good. Oof, very nice. Okay, we're gonna keep watching this one in Discord, and yeah, IVP is also trying to recover. The ALCC looks good into that merger next week. Olu, bye bye bye. See you guys in Discord. Bye guys.